Hello, my dear, amazing and wonderful students all over the world. If you're looking or searching for a science or STEM teacher that would engage you professionally, look no more, search no more. This is Kingsley Levi. I am a science teacher by profession. I am going to teach you, I am going to tutor you physics, algebra, calculus, astronomy, and then any other science related subjects. Yes, you heard me right. You heard me absolutely right. Good. And then while teaching you, I'm going to employ transformative, exploratory, and differential strategies that will keep you engaged while you learn. Bring those questions on. Bring those homework on. Bring all of them, those complex questions. Bring them. I'm going to fix them for you. Thank you. Looking forward to meeting you.